Love you, babe.
Hell no!
Oh,
What?
see, that's how people get killed.
You crazy.
And why you in here with the lights off anyway?
To scare the hell out of you.
Girl, don't try me, because I will start on snap in a heartbeat. Now, did you make that coffee?
No, it's Monday, and coffee ain't gonna cut it.
But I got something. Is this that nasty stuff from before?
That's the good stuff. It's only $2.
Ooh, well, at least I work in a doctor's office.
Girl, yeah. Till 5 o'clock.
Till 5 o'clock. Ooh, I've been a fan of Chris Evans all my life. You see here? I got my Chris Evans book. I got my 5x7 frame. Hey, babe. I got my Chris Evans mug. And I also have my Chris Evans bag. You smell that?
Girl, shut up. Don't you say I'm busy?
Girl, I smell bacon and eggs. Now you know the rules.
I don't know what you're talking about. I ain't got nothing.
Girl, give me that biscuit. You just stop being so selfish.
I hope you choke on it.
And I hope you can find your heart medicine.
Ooh.
Bye, Mama.
Hello?
Don't you see I'm doing something? Damn! Oh, you done messed up my game. What you want?
I'm here for an interview.
Great. Now read the sign and go sit your ass down.
But you didn't even ask my name.
Man, when you sign in, we'll know your damn name. My mouth water, you sitting up here fooling around.
This really looks like a fun place to work. Not.
Man, go sit down. We'll call you.
Whenever I feel like it. 1 or 2 hours from now.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do. Are you ignorant?
Of all the nerve! There's a bunch of empty seats over there.
Estoy bien.
Excuse me. What did you say to me? I won't stand for this. Excuse me. Excuse me?
Alexis, did you call her? And I know I didn't call you. Trying to eat in peace. Damn.
That man over there is saying inappropriate things to me.
What man? Hey, is he cute?
He's a Mexican.
He's what?
A Mexican.
Good morning.
Good morning, boss.
Good morning. Is everything okay?
It better be.
It definitely is not. I would like to speak to the person in charge.
That would be me, Samantha Winston, nurse practitioner.
You're a nurse practitioner?
This card has my license number in case you want to confirm my position.
No, that's not necessary. I think I saw your name on the website somewhere. It's just, well, I assumed that you would be white.
How can I help you, miss?
Miss White Privilege.
Yes. Miss Privilege. How can I assist you?
The name is Pillage. And I want to complain about the seating in here. I don't want to be sitting next to a Mexican. There is a wall going up for people like him. I pay good money to be here, and God knows what he's on to get here, and he cannot sit next to me because I sat there first.
I mean, what the fuck? Lower your tone and using the term Mexican. It's very discriminatory, okay? I need you to relax. and have a
Excuse
seat.
me, I am not a racist, okay? I have a black friend.
World star!
Yes?
Why don't you go and have a seat?
So you're going to move him.
Absolutely.
Thank you. Thank you.
Go, doctor. No, doctor.
It's about to get lit, baby.
Go, doctor. Go,
Take Queens Assemble.
Yes,